A very useful feature in pivot tables is to show values as. For example, if I click in this pivot table and I head up to my Table Tools, Options tab in the ribbon, and I head to the Calculations group, there's a button, Show Values As, and by default it's set on No Calculation. But what I might like to do is to show the values as a percentage of the row total. When I click this option, I can see that these are percentages of the row total. Other options might be to show the values as a percentage of the column total. If I click this option, I can see that Auckland contributes 6.6% to the column total of 100%. If I go back to the Show Values As, I can choose to rank certain regions as smallest to largest. And OK. And these have ranked them as smallest to largest, with the largest being Tauranga. I can also rank them largest to smallest by region. And again, this has now put Tauranga inversely at 1. Or I can show the values as no calculation and return it to its original values.